classics, Tim Short superstar cars, what are we gonna call us today? We're driving a 72, I think it's 72. Yeah, 72 Duster. 340 car. Got a 3-speed automatic transmission. It's a factory, the 999 paint coat, brilliant green. Car's had a really, probably I think I call it a show quality paint job. Somebody in Monte Carlo Supersport think they go races. They don't want that. But we're gonna do a little backwards today. She was out of gas and I forgot to start filming at the gas station. So we're just doing it on the road, then we're gonna stop and do a walk around. As I always say, we are in beautiful Pikeville, Kentucky. Pike County is the largest county in the state of Kentucky. 7,700 some odd residents and one fool, and that is me. So we moved here in November of last year. Just now setting up shop past few months, shipping old cars all over the country. We did this previously outside of Nashville. We were down there for quite a while. And we're originally from Eastern Kentucky, so we thought we'd bring business back to here. Tim Short, who is my main man, my main squeeze. Well, I ain't gonna say it that way, that didn't sound right. But I've worked for him for many years, and we decided to, us and him, him and Todd Kraft, decided we was gonna do some old cars. So if you are friends with any of those guys on Facebook, or want to be friends with them, they love to talk to you. Message them 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning, they'll talk all night long with you. It's Tim Short and Todd Kraft, all night talkers. But we'll get back to driving the car. You know, the other day Cindy filmed me, and I look like a busted can of biscuits sitting over here. So today I'm hoping she does the wide angle lens. The car shows 79,238 miles on it. The car's been restored, and a really nice job at that. This is honestly the nicest. I love Dusters. I just love a Mopar product. I love them all. 4 doors, 2 doors, it doesn't matter. But this is probably the nicest that we've had. And we've had some nice Plymouth products. And the Duster line. But man, these cars have really come on strong the past few years too. Well, they say Mopar or no car. So we've got a Dale Earnhardt Intimidated model in front of us. Monte Carlo Supersport. This car's got plenty of pickup. Man, it's strong. The motor underneath the hood of this thing and underneath the car is clean as a pin. You can eat off the motor. And I'm a picky person. Good Lord. I'm not racing, won't do. Uphill here. This is probably a 1,127% grade incline. I don't know how far it is, but going uphill, the pickup this thing has got is tremendous. All the gauges do work. We found out the gas didn't work because we were on empty, and we put 20, 15 gallon in it, $40. That don't get you nowhere anymore. That won't get you to the popsicle stand. All the lights do work on this car. Got a fresh tune-up. Been through the shop, it's ready to roll for the new owner. Carpet in it is new. Interior is new. There's no apologies for this car. I don't fault it at all. We are coming upon the Pike County International Airport, where dozens of flights fly out monthly to your local destination. $19.95 to Hazard, Kentucky and back. I don't know what they charge. Guy was nice. Helicopter coming in, look up here. Now he's wanting some. He's coming in to land. As I always say, we are located on a reclaimed mine site up here, the airport is. And we're sitting down there. Down over there. Is that a life flight helicopter? Okay. They're flying in to get me. Had me to our mansion in Maui. And we'll do a little walk around and see what y'all think of the outside of the car. Door buzzer works. Two of them. Must be life flight. They do that a lot here. There's no overspray marks. No bubbles. I'm a little intimidated now that all the helicopters come in. Got a good cam to it. Get down here so you don't see underneath it. Ah. Floors are all nice. Tires are new. Ah. See if I can pop the hood. I'll just pop the hood. Got the lovely Miss Cindy with me today. Yep. See underneath the hood. Nicely painted. There's Miss Cindy. Say hey. Throw him the goat head. Oh, look here. Wow. Plane taking off. Busy up here today. Somebody the other day told me to throw him the goat head, and I thought they called me a gourd head. We about fall. Well, I do have a big old head though. Can't complain. But guys, there's your walk around. Again, my name's Sean. Miss Cindy with me today. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any comments, anything I need to do differently, anything you'd like to see on the car that I didn't show, just shoot me a message. I'll do anything I can to help you guys out. We do have financing available up to 96 months on this car. We can finance with 10% down with approved credit. You can just give me a call. It's 606-220-3225. Again, that's 606-220-3225. And we'll get started on you something today. We ship nationwide. We ship worldwide. As I always say, we've sent cars all over the world. So just give us a call. We'd love to get a chance and an opportunity to make you a friend and earn your business. Thank you all. I hope you all have a great day. God bless and bye-bye.